Okay, we're going to go over module number 5. So read chapter 8 over printmaking, watch the lecture videos on chapter 8, take the chapter 8 quiz below by Wednesday, June 22nd before 11:30 p.m. Then read chapter 9, watch the lecture videos on chapter 9 and take that quiz June 22nd, 11:30 p.m. And then read over that project worksheet for project number 2. I created a video. You can also go over here and check it out. There's also a link to the project worksheet below that you can read if you don't like watching videos. This project is worth 15% of your overall grade for this course, so it's very important that you do this. You get several weeks to get it done. You have to work on that kind of simultaneously with the weekly module, quizzes and assignments. So just make sure you're kind of working on that. It's due Sunday, July 3rd before 11:30 p.m. So complete the plan for project number 2, the public art project, and it's a discussion, and that's due by Wednesday, June 22nd before 11:30 p.m. And it's a good opportunity for you to see what your classmates are up to and what they're doing, and it might help you to get ideas for your project, and it will help you possibly to formulate a plan if you see what others are doing. So don't forget to get that done, because once that closes, I don't think there's much time with those discussions just to get those in a timely fashion for sure. So PowerPoint for chapter 8, the lecture videos, and then the quiz, multiple choice, 15 questions, you get 20 minutes, 1 attempt. Chapter 9 PowerPoint, videos, quiz. Here's a project worksheet if you want to read through that. You can also watch the videos. Here's the plan for project number 2. It's a discussion due June 22nd. So basically you just need to share what your plan is for project number 2. And project number 2 is due Sunday, July 3rd. So just take a look at and see what your classmates are doing. Make sure you answer the questions here. What piece of public art near you locally do you intend on using for this project? How do you intend to take the picture of yourself with the public artwork? So getting that picture of you with the public artwork will get you more points because it proves that you were there in person to view the work. I don't want a photo of the work pulled from online. I want one that you've taken yourself with you in the picture with it, just to prove that you were there in person. Because if you go in person, you're going to get a different experience of that piece of artwork. So that's why I want you to go in person and get that picture. I would like to see the work clearly in your photographs. They need to feature details, good lighting, clarity of subject. Are you going to have a friend or family member come and take a picture of you? Or are you going to use a tripod? Or are you going to lean your phone against something and use a timer? Just kind of explain how you're going to get that picture. How many pictures do you think you'll take? Definitely if it's a sculptural piece, you'll need many angles. That'll help you write your paper basically. And then 4, explain what you look forward to the most about this project, and 5, explain what you think the content or the meaning of the artwork is based on the principles and elements that are contained within that piece of public art. So that is module number 5.